Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit theme colors on Shopify Sans theme. Let's get started. So as you can see here, my theme of Shopify is Sans. So if I want to actually edit the color, I can actually head over in here. I can see this button for customize as well as this button in here for this three dots wherein I can preview what it looks like. So for example, let's head over and preview what it looks like first. So in here, this is what it looks like. It has color scheme of green and pink and all these things right. So we can actually change this out by clicking on the customize right here. And then from in there, I should be able to see the Shopify editor. Now for this one, I can actually see that I have their main announcement more and I can see that I have a scheme too. So I just click on this edit right here and then change it into those things that I want. So you can also edit it out to whatever you want. Like for example, you can change the background into a more pronounced green. So let's try to change that into like that. So the background will be like this and the background gradient can also change through in here depending on what I want it to be. So for example, it can do like this or it can be like this. And there's also some color stuff that I can choose from right here. Let's make it a combination of red and green right here. So this is the color that I have selected and this is what it will look like. Now for the text, I can also change that as well as the solid button label. Now, for example, I don't want this theme, can head over and then just click on change right here and change it to another theme that they have offered. So they have here a blue theme. And for example, you also want to change the theme for this one. And also change this by clicking on this color scheme right here. Click on change and then change it into this one. So they also have a lot of color scheme present on this page, for example, on the footer as well. So you can change that out by clicking on this one and then changing the theme one by one, each of the elements of the page they have on your Shopify. To just do anything and after that click on save and it will be saved on your progress. So once it's been saved right here, let's see what it would look like right now. So head over in here and click on view. Now in here you can see that we have now changed the color scheme and theme of our sets. So this is the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.